Hello, welcome to this short introductory video on an IT manager workshop which is going to be held in Windhoek in Namibia in early December. My name is Dr. Peter Tobin and I'm myself a former IT or ICT manager in a startup business that grew to be about 150 people. We were operating as a remote campus in a much larger organization. At the time I was also an academic, so I had operational responsibilities for IT as well as delivering workshops and courses right up to MBA level and senior executive programs at one of South Africa's leading business schools. 5 years ago I became a full-time consultant, and over that period I've been working in the IT governance space with clients in South Africa and around the SADC region, and that has taken me into Namibia, where I've done a number of projects as well. Now at the workshop we'll be talking about the challenges and opportunities that exist in the ICT or IT management space. Over the last few years we've seen a huge growth in the role of technology in terms of organizational success. Now that success can only be achieved if the people who are running the IT function, or ICT function if you prefer to call it that, in their organizations are up to speed in terms of their knowledge, skills and experience. Over the 3 days of the workshop, we'll be looking at some of the key skills that you need to be an effective IT leader. This will include a number of aspects drawn from the CGEIT framework, which is the world's leading framework for the governance and management of enterprise IT. The workshop style is going to be very much an interactive one. We've got role plays lined up for each of the major learning topics. We'll be looking at practical tools to assist you in making the topic areas that we're talking about, the skill areas, very much part of your day-to-day operation once you've been through the workshop and are back in the workplace. I'd like to thank my partner Edison Basson, who's based in Namibia, and his CIO Namibia Network for facilitating the operation. And the details of the venue and how to book for the event are contained, as you'll see, at the bottom of the screen as I've been talking. Now I'm looking forward to being able to share some of the experiences I have with you of global best practice, and we'll certainly be looking at examples of how you can take the principles of what are contained in some of the world's best frameworks and apply them in your own work environment in a very practical sense. We'll have a number of role plays, I think I've mentioned, and we'll look at the way in which we can interact throughout the workshop to keep you stimulated and interested and engaged. So I look forward to seeing you at the workshop, and as I say, the details of how to book are shown on the screen.